is going to be an experience about using this Clevio, or Clevio. It is the Osmo robot, robo-clean, window cleaning robot. Okay, so the first thing I had to find out was that it does not operate with this off. You have to have it plugged in when you operate the machine. The next thing is it comes with this safety rope that you have to attach to something. And I think it's just so that the robot doesn't run away on you. Because this has to be plugged in, I gotta get an extension cord to take me around there because I have these windows to clean and they're on the outside. Now, part of me thought I should just get a squeegee and a long pole, but that wasn't very exciting to think about. And I did look up robot cleaning, or window cleaning robot, and this was one that came up. It was half price, so I got it for $159, I think. And I think that included shipping and whatever, and taxes, because it was from New York. But when I got it, I was like, it had a 90-day warranty on the outside of the, when I ordered it, and I'll show you that image. And then when I got it and I went to the website, it said only 14 days to return it and must be returned new. So I emailed them and I asked them, well, I'm not going to try it if I can't return it. And I just want to return it now. And they said, go ahead and try it. If you don't like it, you have 30 days to return it, not 15 and not 90. 30 days is decent enough. I am going on vacation, but I therefore want to try it and to see if I like it. And therefore, if I don't like it, I will be able to return it. But I have to get somebody else to return it. So now I'm on the hook to try it. So I wanted to share this with you because this is kind of fun because, it's like, how does it work, right? It's got these things and how does that work anyway? So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you the suction is pretty good. So it's got a fan. The output is right here. And this, see? Pretty good suction, right? So I think it will stick to the glass. You press it for 2 seconds to turn it off. Now what it says, I have to fill it with water here. And there is a cleaning agent that they gave us, but you don't put it in the reservoir. They're not telling you what to do with the cleaning agent. Fill to 80% capacity for stable air pressure. So here's what I'm going to be doing.